With a plethora of online resources to tell you how to make exactly what you want, there's no better time to start learning game development than right now. But where do you even begin? Today, we're going to go over how to download and install the Epic Games Launcher and take a look at its not so user-friendly UI to get you started on your game dev journey. This is their website, store.epicgames.com. You'll find a link for this in the description down below. At the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see 3 buttons. One to select your language, one to sign into your account, and one to download the launcher. The first thing you're going to want to do is hit that download button, select the location for your launcher, and in this case I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to click cancel. Next, while that's downloading, you're going to want to click on this sign in button over here. And if you have an account with literally any service that provides games, you'll be able to set up your account directly through them, which also makes it easy if you end up needing to recover a lost account. Once that's done downloading, you're going to want to click on that over here to install. However, as you can see, I've already got that set up. I'm just going to click cancel, but I promise you it's pretty straightforward. So now that you've installed the launcher and logged into your account, you'll see a screen somewhat like this. There's a few things you're going to want to be aware of, so we're just going to go over that now to make using the launcher much easier. Along the top portion of the screen, you'll see your search area, as well as your wish list, cart, friends list, and user profile button. Directly below that are the currently recommended games, as well as things like this BAFTA notice. And if we scroll a little bit down from here, you'll see a category labeled free games. Yep, that's right, because Fortnite is such a crazy success, Epic Games does provide a ton of free materials to their community, not least of which are free games. So if you find yourself working on a project and you're getting quite frustrated bashing your head against the wall, definitely make sure to come check this out to see if there's anything that might help you calm down. Below the store page is your library. Below that, you'll see a category titled Unreal Engine, which if we click on that, you'll notice that everything changes. This is what I meant when I said that the UI isn't so user-friendly. So now if you look at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see your user profile button, along with the settings and a list of your downloads. And if you're looking for that settings button in the original layout, that'll just be in the drop-down under your user profile button. Along the top portion of the screen, you'll see Unreal Engine specific navigation tabs, which includes a tab of sample projects to get you started in the engine quickly, as well as the marketplace where you can go to purchase any assets you might need. Below the showcased assets, you'll see another category labeled free, and as you might expect, similar to the free games, Epic does provide free assets once a month. Beside the marketplace is your library. Finally, we can install Unreal Engine. You'll see here that I have 5.1.1 currently installed. However, if I click on this plus button next to the engine versions header, you'll see that it prompts me to install version 5.03. Just click on the engine number here, and you can install any version you want. Currently, 5.2 does have a preview, but if you really wanted to, you could go all the way back to Unreal Engine 4.0. So just select your version, click the install button, select the location, and wait about 3 years while your engine installs. And really, that's it. Now you're ready to dive in and start making amazing games. And if at this point you're still a little lost, always remember that the samples tab is there with a bunch of sample projects to get you started in the engine, though the engine does also provide templates. If that's a little more your style, definitely check out my video where I go over some of the things I do to set up a new project just to make my life a little easier. If you liked the video, make sure to like that click button and next the one so you don't miss a subscribe. And as always, have a great day.